Hello, this is Madhu Pandey from BTech Electronics second year, Shahid Rajguru College of Applied Sciences for Women. This video is an outcome of Innovation Project University of Delhi SRCA 203 Development of e-resources of a standard procedure on operation and application of important electronic devices used by undergraduate science students. This is called LCD unit. This displays the operation manus and measurement results. You may adjust the angle and intensity of optimum visibility. Now we will discuss the keyboard of this device, spectrophotometer. This is the input component for giving operation commands and numeric values to the instrument. This is start-stop key. This is the key for starting and stopping measurement once parameter setting has been completed. This is called auto zero key. When you press this key, the current wavelength will automatically be set to zero absorption, that is 100% transmittance. Make sure that prior the sample measurement, a blank cuvette is placed in both sample and reference sites. This is called go to WL key. This is the key that is used to change the current wavelength. This is called enter key. When you enter a value, press this key after the value to set the entering value. This is called cursor key. Use this key to move the cursor in the LCD screen left to right. The left cursor key can also be used to enter a negative value when entering numeric values. These all are called functions key. These are the keys corresponding to the functions that are displayed at the bottom of the LCD unit screen. This is called return key. Use this key to return to the one preceding screen for the current screen. This is called mode key. Use this key to move from the parameter setting screen in each measurement mode to the main screen mode. This is called print key. Use this key to output a hard copy of the monitor screen. This is known as numeric keys. Use these keys to enter numeric values. This is the last CE key. Use this key to clear a numeric value, enter error. When you press this key, the numeric values which has been displayed will be cleared and then you may re-enter the appropriate values. This is all about the keyboard. This is called sample compartment. I will tell about this part of spectrophotometer. This is the component in which the sample being measured is set. Cell holder. The cell holder for the rectangular 10 mm light path cells has one sample cell holder and one reference cell holder. This is called cell holder set screw. The cell holder can be easily removed by losing the cell holder set screw. This is called cover sample compartment. When using a flow cell etc., holes are needed to pass tubing etc. through. Therefore, this cover sample compartment can be removed and exchanged with different type of front panels. This is called multi-cell holder drive connector. This is the connector for driving the optional multi-cell holder accessories. This is all about the sample compartment. These are called sample compartment set screws. These screws are used to fastening the sample compartment units. This is called LED. When power is off, it looks like this, and when power is on, it glows. This is the left side view of a spectrophotometer. This is called power switch. When I is pressed, it is on. When O is pressed, it is off. This is called voltage selector or fuse holder. You can switch this between 4 levels: AC 100, 120, 220, 240 or AC 100, 120, 230, 240 according to the input power. Use two 4.0 ampere fuse for the 100 or and 120 volt range, two 2.0 ampere fuses for the 220, 230, 240 volt range. This is called AC power connector. Connect the enclosed power AC cable to supply power for the AC electrical outer. This is called ground terminal. This is the terminal for connecting to ground when using an ungrounded power supply. You must be sure to connect this ground terminal to ground. Now I will tell you about the right side view of a spectrophotometer. First one is RS232C. This is a standard RS232C interface. This can be used to connect an optional printer or a computer equipped with a standard RS232C interface. Second is attachment connector, that is IO1, input output first. This is the interface for connecting the optional auto sample changer or cell positioner accessories. Third one is attachment connector, that is input output 2. This is the interface for connecting the optional slipper 160 or syringe zipper accessories. Fourth one is attachment connector, that is input output 3. This is the output interface through which temperature settings are transmitted from the UV 1700 to the temperature regulator when the optional thermoelectrically temperature controlled zipper unit accessories is installed. This is called printer connector, Centronics. This is the interface for connecting an optional printer. This is called expansion board slot. This is the slot for inserting expansion boards such as the analog output interface board, etc. Normally the slot is covered, as you can see. This is called IC card slot. This is the slot for inserting optional IC card, that is data pack or program pack. This is called eject button. This is the button to press on for pulling out a inserted IC card. This is called contrast adjustment knob. This adjusts the contrast on the LCD unit screen. This is all about the right side view of spectrophotometer. This is how the printer is connected to the spectrophotometer by using printer connector.